Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm back out here on the Tracker Grizzly. It's getting into April, the brim should be starting to bite, and we're going to see if we can find and catch some today on some circle hooks. So right now, if it's still being early season and the middle of the day, we're just casting around docks, trying to find where the shadows start, as well as deep as far as we can get under here, and about 3 to 4 feet of water. And that's really our prime objective right now. That seems to be where we've been finding fish. So we'll continue to do so and hopefully catch one here in a minute. Can I just hit the dock one more time? Oh. There we go. Yep. Same here. We doubled up, didn't we?
Little baby.
I got a decent one on that horrendous cast I was trying to get under the dock, but hey, it works. This is a decent sized one. I caught some really large bluegill earlier, some real nice stub nose. But this one will probably throw back in. I want something just a tiny bit bigger that I can flay. Regardless, great, excellent catch. I didn't even see my bobber go down. It feels like an okay fish, nothing too crazy. Yeah, that's a good. That's a hand-sized fish right there. Check that out. Just kind of threw it out there as we were drifting back over to this other spot, but hey, I will take it. These are good-sized bluegill. Usually we catch smaller bluegill down here at the south, or I tend to at least. But that one right there, that is going in the cooler, no doubt about it. There's another fish. May have found a little bed here. Wow, that's a pretty one. That has a beautiful golden color. Well, we just got back out here after eating a little bit, and this is a beautiful golden sunfish, female, and I'm surprised that she's not terribly big. I figured they'd be getting ready to spawn here pretty soon, but yet another one on the circle hook. Look at that, right in the corner of the mouth. All I had to do was reel in. I didn't have to flip up or anything of that nature. Really easy to catch these fish on these circle hooks. That's a decent little fish, it seems like.
Yeah, he's fighting. He's a little fighting.
Ooh,
Nice little
that's a keeper. There you go. Good job, man. Here's another fish. I'm just going to reel in. Oh, and he's hooked. Not terribly big. He's got a little fight to him. He's a pretty. Yeah, we could keep him.
Decent size.
Well, let's see what this one size is. Ooh, wait a minute.
They're
We'll
both
keep this
keepers.
one. Yep. Another beautiful bluegill. We are catching some really nice fish out here today. Right before they're pre-spawn. Good size male. That is a hand-sized fish right there. Well, I want to pay attention real quick and not get caught out here where they're bedding at. Don't want to mess with them. But this fish, definitely go into the cooler. There's another fish. Not as big as the last one, but another female.
That'll do it.
What'll do it?
Finger up around the ring.
That will do it. Again, just take a look at that circle hook. It goes right to the corner of the mouth. I've had no gut hooks all day. I've been really impressed with these size, I want to say size 2, just little circle hooks. Really impressive stuff out here. Anyway, we're going to let this one go. Just right in this small area, there's a small bed with these fish on them. Once again, another hand-sized bluegill. This one got a little bit farther in the mouth. That's the first one I've had that hasn't been in the lip, but I also let it take it for quite some time. Let me pull off of this spot here. I don't want to scare him off too badly. I'm just going to give a little light bump with the trolling motor. Get out of here. Then we will get this fish off and we'll get back at it. Doesn't feel too bad. Yeah, nice small bluegill.
Decent.
Yet another fish in the boat. How about that? Timmy's got the trolling motor right now. He decided to commandeer the vessel while I had to fix some gear, so I decided to sit back here, try my hand on the back of the boat, and there is some more fish. Originally, I went with a slip cork setup, but I lost that a little while ago, so now I have a very small bobber, the smallest bobber I could possibly find at Academy. A very small split shot, and of course, this size 2 circle hook. This is what has made the big difference today. I haven't had any gut hooks all day. I've had very good success rates as far as hookup ratios. could not be happier, and I certainly plan on using these in the future. Fle-Fly made a phenomenal product, and I've really enjoyed it today and can't wait to try it out more this summer.
Oh! You were close as fuck. Huh? Alright.
I think I have another fish here. Yep.
Hey!
There's a bed right in front of me. Come right under that bridge. First thing I do is catch another fish. How do you like that? Again, decent sized fish out here today. We're gonna let this one go, but we've had plenty that have been good sized ones.
Normally that's keeping stuff right.
It really is.
That street there on that river to Sheen, there's some nice ass houses back there.
There's a nice fish right here. There we go. There. Another small bluegill. They're getting a little bit smaller throughout the day. That's all right though. Once again, you can see, showing you that circle hook, how it's in the corner of the mouth. All I had to do was reel down to it. Awesome. Well guys, that's it for me today. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to share, like, subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.